Okay, show Daddy. Can you show him it this way so he can see it? Oh, it's a Superman truck. Can you get Gravedigger, Cormac? Show him Gravedigger. Oh, you're gonna hold it like this? Gravedigger. Lana, what you doing? Oh, you're just coughing. This is what's making all the noise over here. Can we turn him off? Oh, Cormac, show Daddy how you play monster trucks. Get him. Oh, they crashed. What are you gonna do?
We're going to get that and bend me and go. Oh. Look at that.
Can you tell Daddy bye-bye? Say bye-bye, Daddy. I love you. Don't eat the trucks. Yeah, that's yucky, huh? Say bye-bye.